Torrential slide value equivalent to 284.67 rands a coin. The present cost range, 280.45–286.32. The earlier day close, 283.97. The change was plus 0.70, plus 0.25%. Opposite rate, ZAR to AVAX. Torrential slide cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, May 22, cost 277 rands, high 296, low 258. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, May 23, cost 284 rands, high 304, low 264. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, May 24, cost 281 rands, high 301, low 261. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, May 25, cost 278 rands, high 297, low 259. And multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, May 26, cost 282 rands, high 302, low 262. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday, May 29, cost 281 rands, high 301, low 261. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost 289 rands, high 309, low 269. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, May 31, cost 283 rands, high 303, low 263. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost 285 rands, high 305, low 265. In about 14 days torrential slide conjecture on Friday, June 2, cost 285 rands, high 305, low 265. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost 268 rands, high 287, low 249. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, June 6, cost 263 rands, high 281, low 245. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost 252 rands, high 270, low 234. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday, June 8, cost 261 rands, high 279, low 243. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, June 9, cost 257 rands, high 275, low 239. Torrential slide gauge on Monday, June 12, cost 261 rands, high 279, low 243. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, June 13, cost 265 rands, high 284, low 246. Torrential slide gauge on Wednesday, June 14, cost 261 rands, high 279, low 243. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, June 15, cost 256 rands, high 274, low 238. In about a month torrential slide gauge on Friday, June 16, cost 256 rands, high 274, low 238. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, June 19, cost 251 rands, high 269, low 233. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, June 20, cost 259 rands, high 277, low 241. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2023. To start with cost at 312 rands, exorbitant cost 342, while low cost 258. The found the middle value of cost 299. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 283, change for May 9.3%. Torrential slide estimate for June 2023. To start with cost at 283 rands, exorbitant cost 305, while low cost 233. The found the middle value of cost 276. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 282, change for June 0.4%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2023. To start with cost at 282 rands, excessive cost 300, while low cost 260. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 281. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 280, change for July 0.7%. Torrential slide conjecture for August 2023. At the outset cost at 280 rands, excessive cost 302, while low cost 262. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 282. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 282, change for August 0.7%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset cost at 282 rands. Excessive cost 282, while low cost 240. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 266. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 258. Change for September 8.5%. Torrential slide conjecture for October 2023. At the outset cost at 258 rands. Excessive cost 320, while low cost 258. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 284. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 299. Change for October 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 299 rands. Exorbitant cost 299, while low cost 233. The found the middle value of cost 271. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 251. Change for November 16.1%. Torrential slide estimate for December 2023. First and foremost cost at 251 rands. Exorbitant cost 251, while low cost 196. The found the middle value of cost 227. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 211. Change for December 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost cost at 211 rands. Exorbitant cost 256, while low cost 211. The found the middle value of cost 229. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 239. Change for January 13.3%. Torrential slide estimate for February 2024. First and foremost cost at 239 rands. Exorbitant cost 244, while low cost 212. The found the middle value of cost 231. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 228. Change for February 4.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2024. Initially cost at 228 rands. Excessive cost 228, while low cost 179. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 207. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 192. Change for spring 15.8%. Torrential slide figure for April 2024. Initially cost at 192 rands. Excessive cost 239, while low cost 192. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 212. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 223. Change for April 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2024. Before all else cost at 223 rands. Excessive cost 223, while low cost 174. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 202. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 187. Change for May 16.1%. ZAR to AVAX conversion scale equivalent to 0.3513 coins per 100 rands. The present reach 0.3493 minus 0.3566.